The big news is finally here, everyone. The May Paintpreneur Course is finally here. Yes. If you've been dreaming of starting your own paint manufacturing the right way, this is your chance. Registration has already started, and the first 10 who registered have already secured my $500 advance course for free. Yes, but guess what? I am giving another 10 lucky people the same opportunity today. So if you've missed out the first time, this is your last chance to get into this life-changing training before the slots are gone. Let me tell you why this workshop is going to be different and why you need to register now. Yes. So what is the May Paintpreneur course? This is a beginner-friendly, pocket-friendly training designed for those who want to learn paint manufacturing but cannot afford the complete package, which includes the Paint Accelerator course, my one-on-one coaching section, the 10 days paint maker course, and my advanced marketing and selling courses, plus all my ebooks. But don't worry, even though this is a budget-friendly course, it is a packed with powerful knowledge and a live video explanation that will teach you exactly what to do in the paint industry the right way. No long stories, no unnecessary grammar, just straight to the point, practical training. Yes. Now, here's what happened. I announced this training in my community post, and all 10 free slots were filled up immediately. Yes, as you can see on your screen, they're already waiting in the group. Yes, I was amazed at the response, but because I want to help more people, I am officially announcing it here on my YouTube channel, and I'm giving another 10 people the chance to win my $500 advance course for free. Yes. So if you have ever reached out to me saying you can't afford my full training, this is your golden opportunity to join for just $50 and learn directly from me. But remember, once these next 10 slots are filled, only the regular course will be available for those that register. So if you want the extra bonuses, be smart and register now. So what will you learn in the May Paintpreneur workshop? This is not like my previous training. Each of my courses is unique. Yes, even my past students don't have access to this knowledge I'll be revealing in this course. This course will help you, one, overcome past struggles in paint production. Two, fix common challenges that are stopping you from making money in paint production. Three, improve your selling performances so you can sell more paint. Four, master the secret of making quality, profitable paint that sells the right way for your own country. And then the last, learn inside business strategies for successful paint brand. I have personally promised my newly enrolled students that they will gain exclusive knowledge from this course as well. And I am making sure they can get the best training possible. For those of my new students that just enrolled previously, they are also going to benefit from this May Paintpreneur course for free, just like how you're also going to benefit from their own course for free. You understand? So also in this course, you're going to learn live practical section. It's going to be happening live. You understand? I don't want to review more details, but it's going to be well and fully packaged. So if you are serious about starting your own paint business, this is your final chance to get my $500 advance course for free when you register with just $50. So the link for the payment or the registration is going to be in the description. So once you register, you're automatically going to gain access to me and you'll be added to the group. And remember that the 10 previous slots are gone. So once these 10 extra slots are filled, only the regular course will be available, which I just said. And what is the regular course? The Paintpreneur Workshop. Yes, that is to say, aside going to be part of the Paintpreneur Workshop, you're also going to get my one-on-one section coaching. You're also going to get the 10 days paint maker course, and you're going to get the paint accelerator course. Is that not amazing? You understand? But this offer is only for the 10 people that are going to register now, which is the last 10 badges. After that, you're not going to get the free bonuses. You understand? So don't miss this opportunity. Be smart, take action, and start your journey to becoming a successful paint manufacturer, because this paintpreneur course is not going to happen again. Just like when I did the Glina Paint Institute free training, you understand? So it comes once in a lifetime. Each time I also bring out a promo course, or just like the 12 days paint challenge, you understand, to enable those of my subscribers or my aspiring students who want to get trained by us. You understand? So this is another amazing opportunity that is going to come up in May. You understand? So register now. Don't come into my DM by May and you tell me that you're just watching this video now, because what I'm going to be doing is that in each video I create, starting from this video, I'm going to be explaining, or rather I'm going to be telling you about this paintpreneur course. Because do you know why? I want you to take advantage of this course. Yes, I want you to learn paint manufacturing the right way. I don't want you, when you come into my DM and I tell you the prices for my courses, you find it difficult to enroll, but you want to become a successful paint manufacturer. So this is your opportunity. So each time you hear me directing you to go register for this course that is coming up in May, please take advantage of it, because after this May course, if you want to reach out to me to enroll for my courses, you're going to be paying the right full amount for the courses. You understand? So hope I was able to break down the information rightfully to you. So for some of us that are serious, that are guessing, that, or for some of us that want to start a business, a side hustle, you understand, or our business is not moving properly, or we are confused, we don't even know where to invest our money in, we don't know what kind of business to start in, we don't even know what this paint manufacturing is going to become. That is it. This course is for you, where you're going to learn the right way, how to make money from paint manufacturing, how to produce advanced new expert method, how to have access with me one-on-one, where I'm going to be directing you what is going to be working for your country, the rightful way to start paint manufacturing in your own country, the rightful way to purchase these chemicals, and the rightful way to start paint manufacturing business with the capital that you have. As in, you start this business right away. You don't need long stories, long grammar. You just start this business and start making money from this business and start growing. You understand? So see you in the May Paintpreneur Workshop. Bye for now.